ma 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 ma. Fa 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 fa. Don't believe what you heard, no, not a bit, not one word. Well, maybe a little bit. They don't know, they all sit on the shelf.
This is Detroit Sound Machine. We sat down with them and their member George Jackson Jr., who works for Farmington Public Schools.
Detroit Sound Machine actually was started by my son and a friend of his, Nick Rowe, and it was their idea to have a quartet, to create a quartet. They asked me. My son went to Farmington Schools. As an employee, I was fortunate enough to have him. He went to Easton and to Farmington High. And the reason I got into it mostly was to have something in common with him. As he was getting older, officially my job title is Bookkeeper, grants. So any of the grants that come to district, federal grants, state grants, I do the financials on that. I do employee reimbursements. So teachers, principals, any staff that buys anything that they're being reimbursed, purchasing cards, I guess you would call them company credit cards, principals, administrators.
I work for a bathroom remodeling company.
Most of the time, I'm working at Costco.
I work for an all-state agency. It pays for my barber shop, so,
With being who we are as Detroit Sound Machine, we wanted to see a lot of growth and change happen in Detroit. That's something that is one of our main focuses, and we're very community focused. So one of the my prideful times for us is when we went and sang downtown Detroit at the Coney Island for their anniversary, 100th anniversary.
I'm Just Simply Full of Jazz. It's by U.B. Blake, and it was the opening number to Broadway's first all-black musical revue called Shuffle Along, 1922.
Man, when night comes on, I'm having spasms. I am always glad. I'm never sad. The thing they call the blues I never had. Just because I like to do a wiggle in a regular Salome style. Well, now just because it does it a wiggle like on a Hawaiian isle.
Did a round of just my arrangements, and I was just thrilled to do that, and thrilled that I was with a group that put their trust in me.
I was kind of nervous stepping back into the barbershop world from the beginning, but with these guys, they got me back, and ever since then, barbershop just felt like home.
A southern lullaby called Kentucky Babe, and that is my favorite. But for me, that was the one time I actually got to sing in public with my son in his quartet.
I'm just simply full of jazz. Act like the rest, don't call me a spaz. Tell you again that I'm just simply